To switch Phantom Wallet extension, follow this step-by-step guide. First, ensure you have the Phantom Wallet extension installed on your browser. If not, download and install it from the official website or browser extension store. Next, launch your browser and click on the Phantom Wallet extension icon, usually located in the top right corner of the browser window. This will open the Phantom Wallet interface. Click on the settings icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon, depending on the browser and Phantom Wallet version. In the settings menu, click on the Accounts or Wallets option. This will display a list of all your connected wallets. To switch between wallets, simply click on the wallet you want to use. If you want to add a new wallet, click on the Add Account or Add Wallet option and follow the prompts to set up the new wallet. To switch between different Phantom Wallet extensions, such as switching from the Solana network to a different blockchain, click on the Network drop-down menu and select the desired network. You can also use the import feature to import a wallet from a different Phantom Wallet extension or a different wallet provider. When switching wallets or networks, ensure you have the correct wallet address and private key or seed phrase associated with the wallet you are switching to. Always keep your private keys and seed phrases secure and do not share them with anyone. As a best practice, always verify the wallet address and network before making any transactions. This ensures you are sending funds to the correct wallet and network. Additionally, make sure to update your Phantom Wallet extension regularly to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily switch Phantom Wallet extension and manage your wallets and networks securely and efficiently.